Katanat pulet jang district East Khasi Hills kalayo ban penliam ya kowe kenhun runar ha ka kam lutien ni ATM kablale ikini kambe an kaleng ke district ha kini ke benai kablale ha kini ke jing thwat ke bajur ki pulet kalayo ban kem ado ndrungut ki breu kenthub ki breu na Haryana Assam ikini ngerap na kini ke nong ba Shillong Superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ule tho bakini ki runar kilong ke badlat bit ba ban lutie ha ka bak shimpor tanggu ba nyung minat ai ban lutie ya kowe ki ATM kini ginong lute kilayo melute kenthop ke jingja hak arpu itre ujemang arajar arpusan hamokria hakaba kila lute ya kepisa kaba komba arpu pra laktam nang ta ha ubnai no pra kasnam arajar arpusan hasmet kilayo bentuk palat ya kalai pusan lak baru rempang kasnam arajar arpun riau kilayo bentuk hameliam hakaba kila lute palat ya kalai pusan lak Hadian bala register ke mokot rumah ha mongap bat ha madan reteng police station. Ka special cell jeng East Khasi Hills kal penlong ya ka jing twat ke bajor ha ka arp nyau trik rempang. Ha ka ba kenhun pulet layalam dau DSP operations u sim sang sangma layar sha ka district nu ha Haryana. Rengkat ke jing trailang bat ka CIA na ketu kejaka ha Haryana kilakiam yau Salim arpun ru senam kerta na Dhoraki bat u Rahul laipui senam kerta na Bazitpur ha ka kendai trik uleber. Kini kidai ki beliau ki baju teriam hakaba kiju le kini ki jatkam hakabla thwet ru dagi pulet akal lengkari lakam ru ya arngut kinong yarap ki ble selab kini ki beliau ki banabar ban ai kubor bat jaka kata yo John Fishal Lengkoi lai pu arsnam kerta no umpling bad ujoyas dura sapunyo snam kerta na mulai nongkwar ubdei bensha u SOT kini ki arngut ki ladon lupa ki record kamrunar nadok ka kam hydrox hadok ka kam penyak beliau Hakakat arterik uleber kekenhun pulet belayalam do DSP crime u people das kalakem ya u rejol korem lai prasnam kerta na Chakla baru Lius Ali arpu prasnam kerta na Boragaun hakajela Assam. Uba Vivek e mulai thoru bakladan gejinja ke bagi pulet ke Meghalaya kila Jansha Thombor ha Haryana ha bagi pulet kira ngalam yo Rahul Shah kajeng Shari haga bagi paj bhor kila temu ban pelat yo Rahul bat keni ru kitiar siap nagi pulet. Manedai ladi ke pulet kilahap ban siat chasun bat chamadan ban penprai ke kenhun. Apedeng geni gejing kenat uwe unong syok shnong uladai kuli bat udang syak sumar mentah. Di pulet ke Haryana kili itu ya kan arhut ke badan keti ya kena gejing her tama ki pulet ke Meghalaya. Superintendent ki pulet ula penpau bagene gejing ja ke jana mar gejing selah apedeng ki runar nasabar bat ki breu ke badan hapok kena gejela. Gejing toket kiranya cekmat ban lap ya ki weipat ke badang katria.
Nikong siap ni lah supaya berok ni long kiba tap kisah because kan kalau long tebet adu kata-kata hi bon bat sei kisah tang apot nyum net bat ru aku cukup pot bat tip ru bodon kisah entah ye ndai hadu mentah hi nyempat lap hi kata bakin dei ki long play jo kabang bakin dan keti ndai wada kata gindang doket khmat hi ban tek dan ti manun dan ne manun dan bodon keti nak kaliang jom kita nak try jom kabang ne kiba tak bisa kadi hi kadi jinya try jom baro hi ki benta jom ka special cell hi kiba kadi mengila lapis pada ngila bolang kini ki evidence ban kasami kin kata ka ni susu menu badan keti ti bun ki benta jom ka special cell ki bala try hak ni dan bun ki area se tadi lapis ki evidence ni salap pada kalau penuh tak ke crime ki commit kuno modus operandi kalau kuno kecinya di kalau kuno kani hatat kani ru ngaklen bang fiba kani ha ngala sa ngala patai fiba kani kadi ka nilayo ban kem kiru taka jingarap jongka sam polis bat Haryana polis de kibla dan benta ban penyerap ni ban kem ki brio ki jela ban terpang ya ka Central Investigation Agency jongka New District but USP jongka New District ru bala ya yarap sibon ni pan identify pan kem ni kini brio kamli ka masuk pan kem akan ka cakahi kani ka cakah ka nu tam bun ki bri tep pang ka mewat ni tadi it's a very criminal prone district but akan ka cakahi kamli ka masuk ki ban kem ban atai ka special cell hi la tai borba wat system ban identify ban yo kem ki brio ka cash ngidang pet ka trail of cash hadin ki layo nang ni kita lalut la pelut dan bela siu kiram juki di ngidang pet nang ni squat ngidang pet le si kila bu juki ya ki funds chakwe ki chakai la park those funds somewhere else what happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car. And thereafter, a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
This case, you cannot bring for
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
So just to know about the vehicle, was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police, was taken from our battalion from Delhi. Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT personnel.
So his name?
Joyous Dura.
So how do we read from here? The people coming from outside, they can do commit crime and go.
Unless you see people from outside will not be able to commit the crime unless they are facilitated by local facilitators.